words were metaphors for wildest travel. Between buildings and buildings, no, the birds are here to root around for breath. The girls' hands tear and toss like confetti. No, I don't mean the bread is torn like cotton. I said confetti, no, not the confetti a tank can make of a building. I mean the confetti a boy can't stop smiling about. And no, a smile isn't much like a skeleton at all. And no, his neighborhood is not like a war zone. I am trying to say his neighborhood is as tattered and feathered as anything else. A shadow pierced by sun, and light parted by shadow dance as anything else. But they won't stop saying how lovely ruins, how ruined the lovely children must be in that birdless city.